If you get out of the shower and you see your reflection in the mirror and you start to love yourself and you're like, wow, I look good, I feel good, today's gonna be a good day. You put on your clothes and you're like, wow, everything fits nice, I look really good, I'm feeling confident, I'm about to hit the day. One tool you're gonna take away that will demoralize you is that scale. You just told yourself you look good, you feel good, you step on that scale's not your friend. No matter what the number is, now your day is ruined. Throw that sucker out. Use proper tools to measure your success. If you want, come and see us. We'll even give you a muscle quality test. They'll check the density of the muscle. Our reporting will graph it month after month. If you're not lucky enough to be local, that's okay. There's tools out there. Look on the internet, check for muscle density tools. Throw away that scale. Again, also talking about weight a little bit as well. Most people, when they get in a health routine, want to measure their success. Track it with photos, okay? You want to do a front photo, a side photo, a back photo, and another side photo of whatever you think is good posture, okay? Do it in the same lighting, around the same time of the day. At least once a week is what I do. Don't do the measuring tape, especially if you're female. Depending on where you are in your cycle, you will be bloated. You're gonna write down these numbers. A couple of weeks will be amazing. Yes, I'm doing good. And you'll forget that, oh, my little friend once a month is coming, and you'll have a terrible reading, and you'll get pissed, you'll get demoralized, you'll stop the training or the healthy eating. Please use things that won't demoralize you.